Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Jovelyn San Andres Nino. I'm 36 years old. I'm from Philippines. I have 4 kids, 1 boy and 3 girls. I worked in Singapore for 5 years from 2013 to 2018. My duties and responsibilities includes attending to the cleanliness of the house, cooking and preparing the meals of the family, ironing, car washing, gardening, and especially taking care the infant twins and one toddler. I want to work again to provide the daily needs of my family, especially the needs of my children. Mom and Sir, I am hardworking and trustworthy. I would highly appreciate if you consider me for the position and will do my best to help and make lives better with my service. Thank you.